Boom! What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Joannis or Joe Hatagwa, and I'm a Sierra Leonean American living here in Accra, Ghana. If you want to know what it's like to be at one of the nicest beaches here in Ghana, then this is the video for you. Alright, cool. So I'm going to Labadi Beach with my good friend Kels. Now this video was shot a couple months back, but I'm going to show you what it was like when we went to the beach. He and I went there. We met up with a good friend of ours named Spirit. He not only is a manager of a restaurant on the beach, but he also owns a store right near the entrance. And so you can buy some clothes from him. He does some alterations for you. So you're gonna see, I've had some clothes that I previously purchased. He altered them for me, and then he made a shirt for my guy Kels. So you'll get a chance to see what he does in his work and how he puts these things together. And then we're gonna head to the restaurant, have some good fresh juice, and chill by the beach, eat some food, and then we're gonna buy some other things. You know, we bought bracelets, I bought some shirts and some paintings as well. So you'll get a chance to see all that. And last but not least, I went horseback riding. So you gotta check that out. That's like a whole nother experience, going horseback riding on the beach. Haven't been on a horse in probably, I don't know, 20 years. So that was an experience in and of itself. So check it out. Yes, Spirits.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir. For Kels right here.
Okay, it's lit. If you want some original, authentic, come to Spirit, Labadi Beach, yeah? Ooh, yes, sir. Flames, 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 flames.
Pocket.
With the pocket on it. You know what I'm saying? In case I gotta throw something in there. Looking real smooth. Yeah. Look at the stitching on it. You put the lining on the inside too.
Look, this is zipper, bro. Yeah, this is
Oh,
zipper.
you got the
so
zipper?
If you need to unzip. Yeah,
Oh, that's fire. 48 hours, fire. Why don't you tell us about, you know, what got you into actually creating clothes and altering clothes? Has it been something passed down to you, or have you always wanted to do it?
Guess what? I went to school, I can learn.
Yeah.
You understand? Even though to read this, I'm a little bit difficult. Just speak to me, say, no, you can create. It's not about school only. It can give you reality.
Yeah.
And handwork can put you far. You understand? Yeah. So that's what make me start like a designer. Make people happy. Make people need. So that's my dream.
Yeah.
I will create you.
Ready to put that work in? Little demonstration, my guy. Everybody at home, take notes right now. It's never too late to learn a new craft. There we go. Spirit clothing, made in Ghana. Yeah, fire, brother. Much love, respect.
You want to try out?
Yes, absolutely. Original, one of one, yeah?
Way too big. So I brought it to Spirit. He brought in the sides. I made the sleeves a little smaller. So this is more of my speed. So I'm gonna try it on real quick.
You trying on with the hat? Right. Oh, that's looking clean right there, bro.
Yeah, and the sleeves are right.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm wearing this tonight actually.
Hey.
I wanted the sleeves just like this. The sleeves are good. He brought it in, you know what I'm saying? It's tailored to my size. If you could have seen what it looked like before, it was like this wide. So this shirt, the issue was just the sleeves. The sleeves were basically hanging off like this.
I like that, the collar on the joints. Yeah.
Yeah, that collar is
popping.
About to go over to the restaurant, get some fresh air, chill for a little while before we head back. You have another one that same style, but maybe says something different? This one, yeah, Is this a real tooth or is this ivory? Yeah, that's pretty fire. I like it.
You have another one? I'll buy one too. You got one like that too? Yeah, I'll take one. Yeah. Bless. We got my guy Kobe right here. I'm making a lot of stuff. Oh, handbags too, yeah? Oh, that's nice, bro.
And this is all hand stitched. He hand stitches all of this.
Yeah.
We make slippers too.
Slippers too.
Flags.
Mm-hmm.
Different countries.
Where we appreciate you, my bro, my Dasi.
Thank you.
I like your shop. Yeah, so we got some dope stuff here. You know, they got some handmade, you know, bracelets, necklaces. Look at all this right here. The bowls, right? Sculptures. Look at the culture. Okay, my brother. Medasi. Beautiful horse, man. So you ride all day? Yeah? That's what's up. Look at the beautiful horse, guys. On the beach out here.
Taking a walk, taking in the sea breeze.
Yeah.
It's all good.
Food is no
Got that
use.
fresh pineapple juice.
Yes, sir.
Courtesy High Spirit.
Yeah, from his restaurant. So we went to the clothing store. We got the clothes altered. He got a shirt made. Now we're at the restaurant. We got a freshly squeezed pineapple juice.
Yes,
Get
sir.
some jewelry. Get
Only
some
one way to
jewelry.
do it. My man got the jewelry. Look, everything you need. All authentic, original. Make sure you come to Labadi Beach.
Contact High Spirit. You see
Yeah.
all of the people you know.
How much? 1.5. Oh, you gave me the real price.
right.
I thought you were gonna say 50 CDs.
No.
So I think it's because we're with High Spirits. When
Yeah,
you're with
yeah,
High Spirits,
yeah.
you get the real price.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because we are family. You
Yeah, absolutely.
So I'll take this one.
Sometimes the hospital.
What's your name?
Oh, my name is Kwame.
Kwame. I'm Joe. Nice to meet you. Okay, so I like your shirts. I like this one in particular. I like how it's the Ghana flag, but with the continent of Africa, and it represents all the different areas. The land of culture. The land of culture. So I like that phrase too. So yeah. So these other ones are cool too. Yeah. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. All the tribal symbols. Yeah, that's cool. Actually, you know what? I'll get that one too. I like this one. Okay. So yeah, just those two. Thank you. What symbols mean on this painting?
This particular one, we call it Sankofa.
Sankofa.
mean back to your root.
Back to your roots.
This is a step of life.
Mm-hmm.
This what goes once come around. Yeah, this one, and this one is Jinyame. Never accept God.
Except
So
God.
one God.
There's only one God.
Yeah, only one God we have. Yeah. My people over there is High Spirit. I have everything here. Please try to contact my people. I'm there, straight Labadi Beach. Mention High Spirit. Boom, I'm here for you. Yeah, bless it.
Ice.
Alright guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, comment, and share it with your friends. Alright, see you on the next video. Hey guys, once again, thank you for watching this video on YouTube. If you're anything like me and you're in the United States and you're looking for authentic African products made by Africans, then I got the website for you. I created this website, Authentic African, specifically for people like you and I who are looking for products made by Africans on the continent of Africa, but it's really hard to find in the US. As you all know, I'm in Africa at the moment, and so that allows me to find these authentic African products in person. But for those of you who are living in the United States for now, in the US only, and you're looking for products made in Africa, then this is the site for you. Head on over to AuthenticAfrican.com. The link is on the page right here, and it's also below in the description. All right, see you there.